Hello, this is Deb with Phenomenal Flowers. Today I would like to show you a little bit of a swag or handout that I decided to give over the Christmas season, just to let a person know, hey, I'm here, and if you'd like to purchase something, um, my business card is here also. Normally I give out a swag that costs about 30 to 40 cents each. It has a wet one on one side, my business card on another, and it has a little bit of shred inside. The shred was free, and so if I purchase the bags from Temu, the cost is about 30 cents each. And if I get the bags from Amazon, the little tool bags from Amazon, the total is about 40 cents each. But for the holidays, I decided to do something a little bit different. I found these cards. These are recipe cards that I purchased from Ollie's. As you can see, they were only 59 cents. There was approximately 70 in the packet, so a container with 70 in it comes out to 0.84 cents, so less than a penny each. I thought they were really cute. I'm going to show you. So I also took a picture of the back side. So this is the back. This is it with the card. And then this is the finished product, as you can see. It's really cute. It's a really good fit. I purchased the bags from Amazon, and these bags were $14.99 for 300. So that winds up being less than a nickel each. So for less than 6 cents each, I was able to create something that's unique and easy to give, easy to make, and easy to store. I hope this gave you an idea, and if it doesn't, just think things through when you're out running around doing errands to go, oh yeah, that will work for something other than what it was originally intended for. So for the holidays, I'll be able to give out recipes. I'll also be able to give out my information, because this is my really shiny business card. Woo-hoo. Let's see if we can get some of that glare off. But thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.